Hey guys, welcome back. If you're all about that cozy, modern farmhouse vibe, stick around because I've got some seriously amazing fall decor ideas just for you. Imagine stepping into a space where rustic charm meets modern elegance. That's what we're aiming for today. First up, let's talk about the entryway. Think distressed wood benches, layered with chunky knit blankets and pillows in warm autumn hues. Add a couple of woven baskets filled with pumpkins and gourds, and you've instantly set the tone for the season. Next, the living room. Swap out your regular throw pillows for some plaid or buffalo check ones. Mix in a few neutral tones to keep it sophisticated but cozy. Don't forget a vintage-inspired coffee table tray with candles, mini pumpkins, and maybe even a cute little sign that says "Hello Fall." All right, moving to the kitchen. This is where you can really have some fun. Think open shelves adorned with copper pots, wooden cutting boards, and ceramic pumpkins. Add a fall-themed wreath above your stove or on a pantry door. And if you've got a kitchen island, a centerpiece with a vase of dried wheat and eucalyptus can make it pop. Now, the dining area. A rustic wooden table with a burlap runner is a great start. Layer it with a mix of white and orange pumpkins, some greenery, and a few candles. If you're feeling extra crafty, DIY some napkin rings with twine and tiny pine cones. Lastly, the bedroom. Think cozy and inviting. Swap out your bedding for something with a plaid or floral pattern in rich autumn colors. Add a chunky knit throw at the foot of the bed, and a few decorative pillows that scream fall vibes. And of course, a small display of pumpkins on the nightstand. So there you have it. A few simple swaps and additions can completely transform your home into a fall farmhouse dream. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips. Happy decorating!